This video shows the batch KML location export flow. First, we go to the Contacts app and open the Contacts list view. Now we select multiple contacts that we want to export. These contacts should have valid latitude and longitude values. After selecting the contacts, we click on the action menu. As you can see, we have added a new action called Export to KML. Now we click on Export to KML. After clicking, Odoo checks the selected contacts and includes only those contacts that have valid GPS coordinates. Contacts with 0 latitude and longitude are skipped automatically. After that, Odoo generates a KML file and downloads it in the browser. The downloaded file name is contacts.locations.kml. Now, after the file is exported, we go to the Google Earth website. In Google Earth, we upload the downloaded KML file. After uploading the file, as you can see, the exported GPS addresses are displayed in Google. Google Earth as location points on the map. So with this feature, users can export multiple customer locations from Odoo in one batch and view those exported GPS locations directly in Google Earth or use them in external mapping and routing software.